Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn that how we can use find function in Microsoft Excel worksheet and search function in Microsoft Excel sheet. So there is a little bit different in Microsoft find function and Microsoft search function. And at the end we will learn that how we can replace our find and search in Excel worksheet. So if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe and press the bell notification, because 82% of people are watching our video but they did not subscribe it. If you will subscribe it, I will get motivated and I will make more enthusiastic sessions for you for your future as well. Further, keep watching the video till end and let's start the today's section. First of all, you need to open the Excel. Now you can see it, there is a three function is find, search and replace. Today we will learn these three functions. Now first of all I need to tell you what is different between find and search function. Find function have a case sensitive function and the search function is in case sensitive function. So let's start. There is a field available, customer name, date and order. You can use all these three fields as you need it. You can use either text, either dates or either the amount as well. These three functions will work same for you. So first of all we will start with find function. So find function we need to type is equal to find. Then as I find the function, there is a value written is that return the starting point of one text string within other text string. Find is case sensitive. So here it is, Excel have also mentioned that it is case sensitive. As I open the bracket, now you can see the find function have need the parameter. So I will give the C7 cell for it, that it will need to find the J. So I will comma it. Then I need to find in which text we need to find the J. So I will give the cell reference B7. So once again I need to comma it. This is a starting point which find function required. It is a optional. If you want to give it, then you can give it. If you do not want to give it, then you can do not want to give it. By default it will take in the value from starting point 1. At starting point 1 the J value is available in B7. If I will give 1 and close the bracket, so you can see the result is in front of us the 1. If you can see, I will replace it with J to O. Now the result value is 2. So the next formula of find function, to use it, you can use the find function with as you need to find a particular character in your string as well. So you can use is equal to, then type find, then bracket open, then column open, then give the O, then quoted close, comma, then give the reference to the cell which is B7 and then comma, and then if you want to give it, so give it. If you do not want to give it, you do not want to give it. In this case I am not giving it, and close the bracket. So you can see the O is available on second point. So now we will start the search function. The search function you need to type is equal to, then type search. As you can see search is available. Then I open. The same value I will give quoted open. Then I will put the H over here. H is number 3 value in B7 cell and quoted close. Then I will give the reference within the text. I will give this B7 and then I will give the value of 1 and close the bracket. In this case I will, because this is not case sensitive, so I will give H as a capital letter and enter it. Now you can see the result is came for us that search is on number 3. One more way to do the search is equal to, then again type search, bracket open, and this time we will give the reference cell which is C7 and comma, then we will give the B7 reference cell, comma, and then 1, and then close the value. Now you can see the results have been came to 2 because O is on second position of the John name. So the last function which I want to told you, that is replace. Now you have find and search all the data which you needed in your Excel sheet. Now you want to replace it. So how you can use it? You need to type is equal to, then type replace, bracket open. Then you need to first give the old value, which is the old value in our text or a string. So this is the old value which is John, which we need to give it, and it is asking that where to start to replace. I will say to him that you will start from 2. It's mean it will start from O. So I will give 2. Then I will comma it. Then it will start how many number of character you want to change. I will say 2. One is O and the second one is H. I am supposing to replace 2 characters in this word John. So I will give once again 2. Then I will comma it. Now this is replace is asking about that what you need to replace. So I will quoted open and I will give the name to new name, for example Steve, and quoted close and bracket close. Now see what the results have been written the Excel worksheet. So you can see the J have been taken from the customer's name and Steve have been given from our formula, and N is also taken at the end of the John. If you can see in formula closely, we have started the point of second. It's mean that second point we need to replace it, and how many character we need to replace it, which is 2. So we have put the 2. So it is remove O and H and rest of the value is bring for us. So this is a very fruitful session for you. I hope that you will like it. If you like the video, please like the video, and thank you.